Artoonza.
If you're awesome, smash that like button right now. Yes, you! Your thumb knows what to do. All right, future master builders and tiny tool legends. Today, we are drawing the most epic Carpenter toy tools set ever. A saw, hammer, pliers, and a wrench. That's right, 4 tools in one video. Your hands might get tired just watching. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't know how to build anything. Don't worry, neither does my uncle, and he still tries every weekend. We're starting with our trusty black marker, drawing each tool so sharp and clean, even a real carpenter would be impressed. Maybe, probably, okay, definitely. And then, oh, this is where the magic explodes. We're going rainbow wild with the most colorful acrylic paints you've ever seen. Drip by drip, these tools are about to become the most beautiful, most colorful, most jaw-dropping carpenter set in history. Stay with me. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. Ooh, look at that. We're dripping light blue all over these tools, and honestly, they've never looked this cool in their lives. Light blue is basically the color of the sky going, hey, tools, you're fabulous. And you know what? The sky is right. Every drop, every brush stroke is turning our carpenter set into something straight out of a dream. A very stylish, very blue dream. Red has entered the chat, and it means business. This isn't just any red. This is, I woke up and chose to be absolutely stunning today. Red! Our hammer and saw are looking so bold right now. Even a real carpenter would put down their coffee and stare. Drop it, brush it, own it. This red energy is unmatched.
So cute.
Purple just showed up looking royal and mysterious. Because apparently our tools decided they deserve to live like royalty. And honestly, same. Light green is here, and it's giving fresh, alive, just walk through a magical forest vibes. Our tools are basically nature royalty now, the kind that fixes things and looks gorgeous doing it. Every little drop of green is like the earth itself saying, yes, these are the most beautiful tools I have ever seen. Smash that like button now. Pink just waltzed in and said, excuse me, I'll take it from here. And wow, these tools are giving full princess meets carpenter energy right now. Fearless, fabulous, and totally unstoppable. Orange is basically sunshine in paint form, and it just showed up. Warm, bold, and 0 apologies. Our tools are radiating the kind of energy that makes you want to jump up and high-five a stranger. Responsibly, of course.
So cute.
And finally, the grand finale, yellow, the color of gold, sunshine, and winning. Our Carpenter toy tool set is now so bright, so gorgeous, so jaw-droppingly beautiful that even the sun is taking notes. This is what a masterpiece looks like. You made this. Be proud. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.